Hello everyone, welcome to my channel ankeecodeverse. I am beginning my SwiftUI journey and plan to document my progress as I learn. I will share feedback on my learning and how I aim to enhance my skill. Let's start with create a simple splash screen. I had set up a project, added a SwiftUI view file and moved to next. Add a name and create a class. When we create a class that represents a view with a title and that is associated within the Swift UI, remove the content and add a simple splash screen with a center image. So let's see the preview of the screen. That's looking nice. Your feedback and suggestions regarding Swift UI are always welcome. Don't hesitate to comment below, and if you found this helpful, remember to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for your support.